In today's video, we're working on this Audi 2021 8Y chassis and fitting the Highline reversing camera. Good morning guys, you catch us at the beginning of one of the first new retrofits for the brand new Audi A3 8Y 2021 model. So it's had a big old change both inside and outside. We are, on this particular retrofit, we are doing the reversing camera upgrade. That's why the tailgate is up at the moment. Richard's just routing everything through. The camera is already in play. We've already installed it, so I'll just show you that there. Nice OEM grab handle camera that's going in. Richard then has to do all the wiring through the vehicle, down to the front of the vehicle, to the CAN gateway, and to get it all hooked up into the MIB unit. Now, because this is a 2021 model, it features, like the Golf 8, what's called SFD protection. So this means it's sort of cutting out just the DIY retrofitters, where you have to be Otis authorized and be an approved independent repair services provider like we are with Otis and all of that online access. So that means that certain components within the vehicle, such as the 5F head unit, the 19 CAN gateway, which is the brain of the vehicle, we have to have a special access token to be able to interact with it and code it and do all of that. So once the camera is in, we're going to do all of that online with Otis, with the Audi servers, and get it all up and running. So what we'll do is we'll jump back once it's all in, working and all happy, and show you how it looks. Okay guys, so we're halfway through the overall retrofitting of this vehicle. We've done the camera element and now we're just about to start the front sensors, but we've got another video talking about all of that. So whilst we're at this point, it's a good option to be able to show you how it all works with a retrofitted camera, so you know what you're going to get when we do the work. So first and foremost, you get the reversing camera element here. You do get a jet wash, but the jet wash is dependent on the vehicle having the correct tubing going through here to pull the water through. So you'll always get this camera with this jet, but if you don't have any water or liquid going into the tailgate, then you're not going to be able to get that functionality. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump into the vehicle. Richard's in there doing some coding at the moment, so ignore any wires or all that sort of stuff. And we're just going to fire up the car. And then just very simply, we're just going to pop it in reverse. Oh, need to start. And there you go. Highline reversing camera. Because it hasn't got front parking sensors, you don't get any OPS display over here, but we're going to be doing that as part of the next retrofit for this vehicle, where he'll then get front and rear optical parking sensors. You've got the system over here where you've got moving guidelines which move depending on the steering angle sensor. They're not the same size as the vehicle, so please bear that in mind. It looks like on the new platform you don't get any other extra views. It is literally just this, so that's all you'll get as part of the retrofit. You've got some settings in there at the moment, and like I said, ignore the bit about the reversing camera cleaning, because when you code it and activate it, it's part of the functionality. But if your vehicle wasn't born with the tubing into the tailgate, then you won't get that option, or it won't do it. And that's it. Highline reversing camera, brand new Audi A3 8Y 2021. If you've got this vehicle and you need a reversing camera, then just give us a shout and we'll be happy to help. And as always, thanks for watching.